Welcome to our channel. If you're a current or former USPS employee needing your W-2 form for tax purposes, follow these steps to request and access your tax documents. Step 1. Visit the USPS employee portal, Light Blue, at lightblue.usps.gov using your web browser. Step 2. Log in using your employee ID and USPS self-service password. Step 3. Click on the Employee Apps tab in the top navigation menu. Step 4. Select Postal Ease from the available employee applications. Step 5. Navigate to W-2, W-2C information, or tax statements in the Postal Ease menu. Step 6. Select the tax year for which you need the W-2 form from the drop-down menu. Step 7. View your W-2 online or download it as a PDF file for printing or electronic filing. Step 8. If you need a paper copy mailed to you, or if you can't access Light Blue, contact the USPS Shared Service Center at 877-477-273 for assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.